Hey everybody, today we have the K5 behind me. Super excited to show you what MBRP has. But before that, let's take a look at the factory system. Now, this factory system has small tubing. It starts with a resonator up front, goes into this small wide pipe which restricts flow, and into these two massive mufflers at the end with small understated tips. Now, this is very much understated. It's not matching the lines of the K5, which is a very aggressive looking car. Let's take a look underneath and show you what MBRP has. Now, as always, MBRP starts behind the catalytic converter with this laser cut flange, and we move into 2.5-inch mandrel-bent pipe. Now, this mandrel-bent pipe is held into place with band clamps and then secured to the vehicle utilizing 1/2-inch hanger rods into the factory mounts, as you can see in the rubber isolator here. As we carry on through, a lot more straight pipe, moving into our rear Y section, which splits off into 2 mufflers and exit with quad tips. Now, this system gives the car that aggressive sound without being over the top, and it definitely matches the great styling of the K5. This system is available in both T304 stainless steel with carbon tips and aluminized steel with stainless steel tips. Now let's get this down and show you what it sounds like.